It could cost me close to $30,000. Hello and welcome to Show Me How Dad. Today we're going to learn how to change the air filter in your air conditioning. The air filter that I use is a 4-inch yearly filter. They also make a 1-inch filter that's designed to be changed monthly. I don't recommend those because most people are not going to change their filter every month. They're not going to remember to do that, and the filter is going to get dirty and it's going to put stress on your unit. These units cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, maybe even more depending on the size of the unit or the number of units. My home actually has 3 units, 3 zones if you will. If I didn't change these filters correctly and I burned up those units, it could cost me close to $30,000. So it could cost you thousands of dollars. So a simple filter that's just a few dollars that needs to be changed periodically could cost you a lot of money if you don't do it. I recommend these filters, not necessarily this particular brand, but these larger 4-inch filters that are 12-month filters. That way you only have to remember to change it once a year. I try to do it the same time every year. The time that we do it is in January while we're putting up the Christmas decorations. We're in the attic anyways, so each January I will replace the air filters as we're putting up the Christmas decorations. You can buy these online or any hardware supply store. The first thing you're going to want to do is go up to your unit, find the door. You can scan the unit and you can usually see the flap. It usually has a couple latches on it. You can open that up, write down or remember the size. And then you're going to want to order the filters. I recommend if you're using monthly, buy them in bulk. Go ahead and get a case of those filters. Like I said, you can order them online. Or if you're using the yearly filters, go ahead and order those. So once you get upstairs into the attic and you open the flap up and you're ready to change the filter out, the first thing and the most important thing you want to do is pay attention to the airflow arrow of the existing filter. This particular unit has the arrow here. Some units have the arrow on the end. Either way, pay attention to the airflow filter before you pull it out. Make note of it, take a picture of it if you need to, pay attention to the airflow. You do not want to put the filter in backwards. This could damage your unit. After paying attention to the airflow, slide the filter out. You may have to wiggle it. You may have to do some adjusting. You may have to press on it. These things are made out of cardboard and they're really easy to damage getting them in or getting them out. So be careful. Don't force it. Obviously getting it out, if you damage it, it's an older filter. That's not as big an issue as if you damage it, putting it back in. So be careful. There's going to be a 1-inch rail or a 1-inch guide, if you will, or a 4-inch guide. You can use either one, and you do not have to use the same size filter that you're replacing. If you had a 4-inch filter and you want to change to a 1-inch filter, you can do that. And if you had a 1-inch filter and you want to change to the 4-inch filter, you can do that. I definitely recommend the 4-inch yearly filter over the 1-inch monthly filter. My particular unit has a little bit of a lip at the front. So I'm having to press the corner down, the top corner. I had to press it down just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit to get past that lip. And then once I got past the lip, it pushed right on in, no problem. You need to make sure you don't get any trash in the compartment. This is airflow that is going to flow into your unit. It comes from the return air side, so it's coming from your rooms into the unit to be reconditioned, whether it's cooled or heated, and then back out to the room. So you don't want any trash in that compartment whatsoever because that's going to suck into the unit and it could damage the unit. Thank you for watching Show Me How Dad today. I hope you learned something. Look forward to seeing you guys next time.